Good afternoon, it's Gene from DePaula Chevrolet, world-class technician. Today we're going to go over maintenance. It's a key part of keeping your vehicle up and running properly. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to go over checking the oil, when you should have it changed, and the different platforms of maintenance that need to be done. So first off, we're going to go with our dipsticks, and there are two different style dipsticks. We have the dipstick here with intervals, which is 1 quart total. So each line will represent a quarter of a quart. On the trucks, you have a hash mark. As long as the oil level is within the hash mark, you are good to go. The other thing we want to do is we want to take our owner's manual and we're going to reference our interval maintenance recommended intervals. I have this one marked in here for the customer. General Motors recommendation is 7,500 miles to change the oil and filter. That is based on your driving habits. There's different driving habits which require less mileage to change the oil. The other part you might want to do is in the owner's manual, there's a maintenance record sheet. You might want to write that in there, handwrite it in for your own records, just in case you lose the receipt or anything like that. My personal recommendation is 5,000 miles to change the oil and filter. You can also use what is the oil life monitor system on the vehicle. I'm going to go over that with you. So the next indicator that the oil change is due is your oil life monitoring system, which in the vehicle, in our vehicle that we're working on right now, we're at 37% oil life remaining. That would be time to get an oil change. We can also go by the last recorded oil change when it was done, and in 4 of 2022 is when it's due at 15,000 miles. We are at 14,500. Another indicator. If the sticker falls off or if you forget to look in there, once again, you can refer to your owner's manual where you wrote down the mileage and time in order to change the oil and filter. Okay, so in conclusion, when you want to do your oil change, you have many indicators of when it should be done. Once again, you can check it under the hood. You can refer to your owner's manual. You can refer to the oil life monitoring system or your sticker from your recent oil change when it was performed. Once again, my name's Gene Weatherington, service technician at DePaula Chevrolet. Feel free to stop in and talk about it anytime you want. Thanks and have a great day.